Need to send files or save space on your MacBook? Today I'll be showing you how you can zip and unzip files in within seconds. Let's get into it. So firstly, you're going to open up Finder and find the images and the files that you want to compress together. Then you're going to select all of them, so you can do that by holding down and dragging your mouse over them, or by holding down Shift and selecting each one individually. Then you're going to right-click and select Compress right here. Now this is going to create a separate zip file, and to unzip it or to open it, you just need to double-click on the file. And then as you can see, it will expand it and create a new folder. We have all the images. And if this helped you out, make sure to like and hit that follow button to see more videos just like this. And I'll see you in the next one.